I'm not the person that says, there are pastors out there that say, oh, don't listen to any type of music except for Christian music because it's going to take you straight to hell. No, I'm sorry. I don't believe that. We are in the world and not of the world. Listen to whatever you want. You're strong enough to know that whatever you're listening to, you might like the tune, and you might hear the words and go, I'm not so fond of what they're saying. You make that decision yourself. I'm not going to tell you what to listen to or how to live your life that way, but I will tell you, we're influenced by a lot in our senses.
Come into this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before Him, exalt His name today. Come into this house,